Good morning, everyone. It is Throat Punch Thursday, June 10th here, and here's a look at our futures. We have a little bit of a mixed bag. The Dow's up 68, the S&P's up just a little fraction here. Nasdaq is down only 26 points. So again, very small amount, and the Russell is up. Oil's up, gold's down. That's pretty much the run of the market. We are waiting on jobless claims here this morning. They will be out in like 11 minutes from the time I am recording this. So by the time you watch it, they will probably already be out. Anyway, let's take a look here. So the market yesterday gave us a red close. We'll go pop over here and look at the SPY. Gave us a red close. We're actually just sitting in a channel, and this is, again, not uncommon. When we get to near highs, near all-time highs yesterday, we actually put in a high before selling off from that high. So really, this just tells me that we still have a lot of indecision, and a lot of indecision in the markets makes for more indecision because the market doesn't like indecision. You see the dog chasing its tail kind of situation here? It does seem to be that way. So just keep that in mind as you take on trades and maybe figure out, where do I take my profit? Do I maybe scale out of it? Sometimes that actually feels good just to take some of that profit, put it in your pocket, and then allow the chart to continue working. But we've seen a lot of that, like where we kind of sell off. Like if we start out at the high of the day, then it just kind of sells out. And throughout the day, interestingly enough, we've not moved very much. I mean, you can see that on the 5-minute chart, and on the daily candles are really quite small. It wasn't until the very end of the day where we kind of fell out of it, but most of the day just kind of channeled, and it looked this way up among all of the indexes. So okay, so let's take a look here at a few that I'm watching for today. I did get into Twitter yesterday, and I will remake that video here this morning because when I made it, I don't know, it just did not come out right. Camtasia apparently hates me, so. But I did get into Twitter yesterday. It came up and touched the 50 before retracing, pulled back with the rest of the market. This is a play for over the 50 to get us back up over the 50 and fill the gap. That's a pretty simple, look at it here, and we cleared out some of this volume resistance. We have a nice, a little bit clearer of a path up here in this area. So up to the top of that gap fill. Okay, a few that I'm watching for today. Snap has been on and off our minds here for a while. Had a really beautiful run. It came in, took a nice little rest. And here yesterday, we pushed the 3 back up away from the 8. We're going to watch for continuation on that. And I like it here anywhere over 63 or 63.45. But on those, I'm going to be watching the 7/16/65s in Snap. Another one I like here is Clean Spark. Closed over the 5200 there before pulling back, and now there's still nice room to come in today as long as we are over that 50 and 200 for a move up here to that point of control area, about 2186. On these, I like the 2250 strike. Bitcoin here.
Benzing a market update as
Bitcoin here continuing its recovery off of that 200. So with that, you can take a look at Riot or Mara. Both these look really good. I like Mara. It came in at the point of control yesterday, pushed up, had a little bit of a gap fill left, but plenty of room to that 50 without a lot of resistance. I like the look in Mara, and I like the July 30 strike on that one. And BLDR, there's a couple others I'm going to run through that I haven't set up. I think we should just keep on our watch. But BLDR, today, that 3 is just meeting the 8. We do have the 20 ahead. So we want to see the move up through there. It's through that 20 at 44.72 that I really like it. I'm watching the July 47 strike in BLDR. A few others that we've kind of kept our eye on. Have not set up quite yet, but Datadog over the 200 looks pretty good. DraftKings came up over the 50, touched it yesterday, pushed up just a little bit. It's staying over that 50 that we like, and really now I would say coming back in over 54.75 looks like a decent entry there. ADI, big move post earnings, took a nice little break, headed up and took another little break, although we had green candles here, looking for a break of that all-time high in ADI. NVTA, nice move away from the 3820 with room here to the 50, not a lot of resistance ahead, so a play up to the 50 and then watching the movement. If we get over that 50 and close over it, probably in a few days here, another play that would come in over that area. And Lemonade, this was actually on the list yesterday. It continued nicely, really strong in the overall market. So watch this for continuation here today. UPS and FedEx just got the snot beat out of them. Watch these for reversals. UPS used that 50 pretty well here. And FDX, watch for a move back up through the 50. A lot of headwinds with all of these moving averages. So we're looking for the reversal back up through yesterday's close and then back up through the 50 on those. Okay, that is it for me today. If you have any questions, let me know. Heather C at givingtreetrading.com or hit me up in the trade room. And I hope to see you soon. Remember, Throat Punch Thursday.